MCQ we completed.
You told to solve 75.
Okay, sorry. Only last part of theory which I told, I think that is kept out. Photoelectric cell. A device which converts light energy into electrical energy is called as photoelectric cell. A device which converts light energy into electrical energy is called as photoelectric cell. Diagram. It consists of concave shaped cathode coated with oxides of strontium barium, a thin uniform rod which behaves as a collector is placed along the axis of concave shaped cathode. Entire arrangement is sealed in evacuated glass bulb. Two pins are brought out for connection. One is called plate, other is called cathode. Evacuated glass bulb. This is called cathode. This one is called plate. Symbolically, it is represented as seen. From the top, when you see, we see this curve. And dot for cylinder. And light is incident on the cathode. So this is symbolic notation for photoelectric cell. And this is construction based, diagram based on construction. So write principle and diagram. Write down.
Thanks.
Okay. 1 second. Construction. It consists of concave shaped cathode coated with oxides of strontium or barium. A thin cylindrical rod placed along axis of cathode behaves as plate or collector. The entire arrangement is sealed in evacuated glass bulb. Two pins are brought out for external connection. One for plate and other for cathode. Right, construction. The symbolic representation is as shown in figure B. Completed construction?
No.
Completed, no? Can I clear it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Working. This is photoelectric cell. Symbolic representation, photoelectric cell. Along with resistance, it is connected to battery. For cathode, connected to negative terminal, and for anode or plate, it is positive terminal. Milliammeter is connected in series, which will record the flow of current. Current enters from positive side and leaves from negative side. So when light is incident, electrons are ejected from cathode, are attracted by the plate. Connected to positive milliammeter. By noting the deflection in milliammeter, we can record the current flow. So we'll write like this. The photoelectric cell is connected in series with resistance R to limit the flow of current. Flow of current. A battery of voltage V is connected across photoelectric cell. When ultraviolet light falls on cathode, then photoelectrons emitted are attracted towards plate and current flows through the circuit. It is recorded by milliammeter. Copy this much. The photoelectric cell is connected in series with resistance to limit the flow of current. Battery of voltage V is connected across photoelectric cell. When ultraviolet light falls on cathode, then photoelectrons emitter are attracted towards plate and current flows through the circuit, which is recorded by milliammeter. Done.
Tense.
Applications of photoelectric cell. Have you ever called photographer for some event, either birthday or
Yes,
some
sir.
other celebration? When he comes, before the time or after the time?
Before.
Mostly they have got tendency to come before. Before he comes, तो फर्स्ट ही आस्क, अगर बड़ा इवेंट है लाइक वेडिंग, तो पूछता है कौन सा रिलेशन किसके साथ है, सो दैट ही कैन हैव मोर फोटोज ऑफ दैट पर्सन. एंड देन ही आस्क के चार्जिंग पॉइंट किधर है, तो ही चार्जेस हिज बैटरी फर्स्ट. कैमरे का बैटरी होता है, दैट चार्जेस, ही डज द चार्जिंग एंड देन ही एडजस्ट्स द लाइट कंडीशन. Have you seen something like circular is there before his camera? He turns that, ऐसा गोल गोल हाथ घुमाते रहते हैं उसपे.
Yes, sir.
So with that he is adjusting shutter speed. Shutter speed मतलब lens का speed. If there is strong light, then that shutter should come down fast. And weak light, then slowly that lens का आगे का shutter will come and close. But suppose he's not that expert, then he should have some instrument which will give him correct time for which body to be photographed must be exposed to the light. That device which gives the correct time for which body to be photographed must be exposed to light is called as exposure meter. It consists of this exposure meter. It consists of photoelectric cell and milliammeter, which is calibrated not in ampere or milliampere, but in seconds. So when strong light flows, more current will flow, and when more reflection, other time come likha rehta hai 110. Less current flow, maybe 1 second. So by using this condition of light, photoelectrons when emitted, if they are strong, deflection large, वहां पे time रहता है कितना time चाहिए उसके लिए. So that device, which is actually nothing but milliammeter along with photoelectric cell, is called as exposure meter. It is a device used to find correct time for which body to be photographed. It is a device used to find correct time for which body to be photographed must be exposed to light. It consists of photoelectric cell connected to milliammeter calibrated in seconds. Let's copy first use exposure meter.
Done, sir.
Okay. Second, burglar's alarm. Now suppose this is photoelectric cell. It is incident with infrared light. Can we see this infrared? Can we see infrared? No, no, visible we can see, correct? It consists of photoelectric cell incident with infrared light, which is not seen by intruder or burglar. Means chore. He cannot see this light. It is connected to relay system, which is connected to bell further. So when light is incident, current keeps on flowing. There is no activation of this relay. Relay will only activate when current stops. Have you seen relay race? All the 4 athletes, they run simultaneously. Hello?
Yes, sir.
In burglar alarm, I'm talking about relay race. Relay race. All the 4 will run together. फर्स्ट वाला भागेगा, जब इसको लकड़ी देगा तभी ये भागेगा, तभी तीसरे का फोर्थ भागेगा. That means all they don't run simultaneously. When one stops, second runs. When second stops, third runs. Third stops, then fourth will finally run or not.
Yes, sir.
So relay mechanism will only run when current is stopped. So when intruder comes in the path of light, he cannot see the light. He obstructs it. And light will be cut off. Relay mechanism will now get activated, which is connected to bell. That bell keeps on ringing till somebody comes and deactivate this relay mechanism. So burglar will be caught red-handed because he was not aware that bell is ringing somewhere. So this photoelectric cell can be used as burglar's alarm. So in burglar's alarm, the photoelectric cell is incident with infrared light. In burglar's alarm, the photoelectric cell is incident with infrared light. Which is not visible by human eye. Hence, when intruder obstructs the path of light, then the relay mechanism connected to bell starts ringing and burglar is caught red-handed. Right. Mostly they can ask you in MCQ theoretical, which color of light is incident in burglar's alarm on cathode of photoelectric cell. It is infrared. Yes, return full.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Third, lux meter. This will not write in detail. Lux meter. See, you know, candela is unit of intensity of light. Lux meter is also unit of that. So lux meter is a device which consists of photoelectric cell. When light is incident, it is connected to again milliammeter, which is calibrated in such a way that deflection represents the condition of light, same as exposure meter. But this can even work on very weak light condition, that device. In cricket test match, when there is last day of play left out, then 20 over is mandatory after tea. Mandatory means compulsory. So suppose there is one batsman, last wicket is left out for one team, and last day is the match. 50 runs are pending. Who will win? Batsman team or bowler team? Who will win? Last batsman. Who will win?
Bowler.
90% chances their bowler team. But 50-50 chance दोनों को है ना. ये बैट्समैन अगर ऐसे ही मार दिया थोड़ा, then chances are there they will win. So what happens when there is last player? They cannot say कि I will not play. He starts playing. अचानक ये बॉलर ने इतना फास्ट बॉल डाला कि इसको दिखा नहीं. Then he start hammering the ऐसा pitch by bat. Just for time pass. Then when again he plays, he cannot see the ball properly. Then he goes to umpire. He says, I cannot see the ball. So how the play can be continued? That umpire takes out one instrument from his pocket, places under the light condition. If the deflection in the millimeter goes in such a way that it is marked here, that means visible range, non-visible range, it is marked. When it goes to visible range, he says yes, the match should be continued. If it is in invisible range of the ball, then match is called off and it is abandoned. Both team are declared given 1 point. That is lux meter. So don't write detail, just write heading lux meter. Fourth, reproduction of sound in motion pictures. If you have seen film of movie, anybody has seen that small film of movie? Motion picture means the movie where we don't have still photography as we put in album, video jaisa. So that film is in continuous manner like this, और इधर से dot होता है अगर देखा रहेगा तो. So when it is projected by projector, screen के ऊपर ये film we can see along with the sound track converted into sound. So when light is focused, it will obstruct the light this holds, and that fluctuation is given to the loudspeaker, which gets converted into sound now. So if I have a film, flicker, you know, if book का side में कोई ऐसा छोटा film बनाता है, फिर फ्लिक करेंगे तो हम लोग को लगेगा बैट्समैन बैट मार रहा है और बोटमैन बोट रो कर रहा है. ऐसा ही देखा ऐसा पेज का कॉर्नर पे?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So in one movie also that's shown. Here small we do some diagram. When we flick, continuation लगता है ना ऐसा?
Yes, sir.
So when this movie is projected, suppose it is fighting scene, तो पहले हाथ थोड़ा ऊपर आएगा, थोड़ा फिर कंटिन्यूएशन में लगता है ना हम लोग को मारा. साथ में आवाज भी आना चाहिए क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
तो जैसे वो मारता है बीच में से आवाज आता है. So that means that sound is converted by this photoelectric cell, which is incident with light and light is getting obstructed. So that is one of the use, reproduction of sound in motion picture. So 4 use we did. First was exposure meter, third burglar alarm, third lux meter, fourth is reproduction of sound in motion picture. Sometimes they can ask in theoretical MCQs, which of the following is use of photoelectric cell? So remember this 4 conditions. Write third and fourth. Then I will give you planner and start with new chapter.
Sir, there are how many characteristics of photoelectric effect from Einstein photoelectric equation?
I remember. I think only I gave one. Huh?
Yes.
Hello, I will give that. When you asked that, it clicked. I gave only one that day. Means we obtained only one from Einstein. 4 we have obtained.
Done.
Okay. Fatafat that characteristics wala part. I'm just explaining them. You can refer from the notes. First part I already have explained. Obtain characteristics of photoelectric cell. Second example. First was frequency is less than threshold. Then h nu less than h nu 0. H nu minus h nu 0 less than 0. Ke max less than 0. This is not possible. Hence, photoelectrons are emitted only when the frequency is greater than equal to threshold. I think this is what we did last class, correct? Second, when the intensity of light is increased, the number of photons striking the surface of photosensitive material increases. This shows that the packets or striking increases, hence number of electrons emitted increases. Thus, photoelectric current is directly proportional to intensity but not on frequency. Second part. Third, Ke max is h nu minus work function. This shows that maximum kinetic energy depends upon frequency and nature of material but not on intensity. Fourth, as soon as light is incident of energy greater than work function, photoelectrons are emitted instantly, which is shown by the deflection in milliamp. Fourth, you can refer the notes which I have given. Huh? Right, new chapter EMI. Very important. Direction based test पे ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. Kathan, this chapter you have in the exam and AC. Hello, Kathan. Hello, Kathan. Kathan is present, but okay, you're okay. So, start. Yes.
So what about Davison and Germer experiment? Is it there?
That I will do in atoms, molecule, nuclei.
And de Broglie's
that also in that.
Okay.
And this new syllabus, they changed it. Earlier it was with atoms, molecule, nuclei. So all I will complete with that.
Okay.
De Broglie's wavelength and Davison-Germer experiment with atoms, molecule, nuclei. EMI. E stands for electro, M for magnetic, I for induction. If this is one sphere charged positively, in front of this I bring another uncharged conductor. What will happen to this? What will happen to this conductor? Yes, what will happen to this?
Start moving towards positive.
Nearer end will become oppositely charged, no? Yeah, similar charge. Opposite. And far will become positively charged?
Yes.
This charging is by battery or by friction or by induction? By what?
Induction.
Induction, because battery supplies friction, we have to rub. Induction, just by presence. So just by presence of a charged conductor, automatically we are getting charge on the neighboring conductor. This automatic phenomenon is called induction. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Same way, when current flows through conductor, there comes magnetic field in the vicinity. In concentric circle was proved by Oersted, and magnitude was found by Biot-Savart's law. So Faraday was one scientist. He said, if current is passed, we get magnetic field, then reverse also must be true. If there is magnetic field, there should be current. This was his theory. So he started working on this theory. To get this magnetic field, he was carrying magnet in his hand. And there was a coil connected to a galvanometer. So that when current flows by galvanometer, he can check the flow of current. So he was having magnet in his hand. Those who are in maths, have you solved integration?
Yes, sir.
Suppose first attempt में आंसर नहीं आया, तो second attempt try करते हैं ना?
Yeah.
Second, third में नहीं आया तो वैतक के पेन फेंक देते हैं ना ऐसा? तो बस हो गया, अभी सुबह ट्राई करते हैं. So Faraday was performing this experiment of magnet, whether it will give me current or not. He was totally upset, and all of a sudden he threw his magnet by anger. जैसे मैग्नेट फेंका, ये गैल्वेनोमीटर ने डिफ्लेक्शन दिखाया. मतलब क्या गया रहेगा ये करंट इसमें से? What might have circulated in this? Current?
Current, sir.
You got the idea? When he threw the magnet, chances are there magnetic field is coming closer. And due to this magnetic field getting associated, the current might be flowing. Then what he did, he threw this magnet this way. So that field is like this. He found that it is not showing deflection. So uska idea aa gaya. The field should not be parallel, but perpendicular to the plane of coil. When you threw horizontal inclined, magnitude decreased. Perpendicular increased. तो उसको समझ गया inclined पे होएगा, but this component is giving me the field which is maximum when field is perpendicular, minimum when parallel, between maximum minimum when inclined. What is this field called which is perpendicular to the plane of coil? Any name to this field? We have done electrostatic.
Flux.
Flux, correct. ये मैग्नेट का फ्लक्स है तो नाम क्या पड़ गया? Magnetic flux. So if they ask what is electromagnetic induction in the exam, Faraday performed number of experiments. Faraday performed number of experiments and proved that whenever there is change in magnetic flux associated with closed circuit, then always EMF is induced in that circuit and current flows. This phenomenon is called as electromagnetic induction. The current flowing is called as induced current. Right. Definition of electromagnetic induction.
Done, sir.
Okay. Magnetic flux. The perpendicular lines of magnetic field the magnetic field lines perpendicular to the plane of coil is called as magnetic flux. It is given by phi equals to NAB cos theta. For single turn coil, phi equals to AB cos theta. Therefore, phi equals to A bar dot B bar. So it is a scalar quantity. Its SI unit is Weber, denoted by WB. Right. Magnetic flux definition.
Done, sir.
Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. Faraday's first law. Faraday's first law. Whenever there is change in magnetic flux associated with closed circuit, then always EMF is induced in that circuit. This is same what we wrote, what is electromagnetic induction, and current flows. So first law is whenever there is change in magnetic flux associated with closed circuit, always EMF is induced in that circuit and current flows. Right, first law. Hello. कल से लेक्चर ना, उनको बोला था ना मैंने। हाँ कल से है ना सर। हाँ कल से है उनका। नहीं नहीं वो, हाँ हाँ नहीं वो तो कोई बात नहीं, मैं मेरे हिसाब से बोला था ना ट्यूसडे स्टार्ट करें। और 12:30 बजे। हाँ कोई बात नहीं। हाँ तो मैं कल टाइम टेबल आपको केमिस्ट्री का भेज दूंगा। हाँ हाँ आइए कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं। हाँ हाँ नहीं 12:30 बजे पहले मेरा होगा लेक्चर, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट डे से फिर मैं केमिस्ट्री रखता हूँ। ठीक ठीक ठीक। हाँ नहीं साथ में होगा, नहीं नहीं वो मैं ध्यान रखूंगा आपके। ठीक ठीक। जाए। अरे कोई बात नहीं सर, देखो मुझे मेरे सर नहीं नहीं अरे सर ऐसा मत सोचिए, मेरे मुझे मेरी जिम्मेदारी का एहसास है ना सर आपके। ठीक 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 यस। सर कोई बात नहीं, देखिए आप एक दिन, आप सर 2 तारीख चाहिए मुझे, उसका कोई नहीं बच्चा मेरे को। नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, देखिए देखिए आपने अगर चेक दे दिया ना तो उतना मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस है कि क्यों आप देगा। और मैं वो चेक तब डिपॉजिट करूंगा जब अपना डेटा सेटिस्फाई हो। Faraday's second law. The magnitude of induced EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change of magnetic flux. The magnitude of induced EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change of magnetic flux associated with the circuit. Rate of change of magnetic flux associated with the circuit. Just complete till this. If completed again, please tell me so that I will obtain formula for this statement. Yeah, can I clear this both laws?
Yes, sir.
Let B5 be change in magnetic flux associated with the circuit in dt seconds. Therefore, average induced EMF, comma E proportional d phi by dt. So E is K d phi by dt, where K is a constant if all quantities are in same system of units, then value of K is found to be 1. Therefore, E equals to d phi by dt. So first formula you got, not E is IR, but E is d phi by dt. By Ohm's law, you know, EMF is IR. By Faraday's law, we got d phi by dt. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Just one example on this. 5 is t square minus 10t plus 6. Find EMF. How to get? E is
Differentiate.
Yeah, differentiate, correct. So E is d by dt of flux, which is t square minus 10t plus 6. That will become 2t minus 10. If they say find EMF when t equal to 2 seconds, then E is 2 into 2 minus 10, which will be 4 minus 10 equal to minus 6. Right. So in board exam, they can ask such simple questions.
Done, sir.